Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a piece of tech that's a little different. It's the WinBridge S98 portable PA system that we personally think may be a good gadget for them people that are looking for a portable audio system to allow them to project their voice to crowds of up to 100 people. That would be ideal for outside and inside use, for lectures. And you know what, we was actually passing through a small town in the northwest called Lee, and we'd seen this religious guy actually preaching to the high street, and he was using a speaker just like this one. So with this particular WinBridge S98, what should you expect to receive within the package? First of all, we receive a very precise user manual. It has an easy on the eyes illustration instruction guide on how to set up the S98 PA system. We have a Type-C charge cable. A 3.5mm audio cable is kind of short though. We have a fabric carry strap, and yes, underneath this protective packaging we do have the WinBridge S98 PA system itself. Okay, interesting. You know what guys, I actually do love the design. I'd say it's pretty modern looking with an ounce of retro thrown into the mix. There's that WinBridge logo to the front. But that speaker grill, it's absolutely solid. You know when it's solid? When it takes an Allen key to take it off. Unless it's actually for show. Oh no, it's not. The grill actually does come off. Better put it back. I do love that angled pattern on both sides. It has these 4 soft, very grippy feet to the bottom. And as we take a closer look to the top of the PA system, I've got to admit this WinBridge S98, it actually does look like one of those old tri-band radios from the 80s. If you know, you know. Yeah, anyway, if you look to the top, we've got the power button. Let's press it. Okay. Oh, hang on a minute, we've got a digital display. It's a nice quick startup logo. There's also a mode button right next to that power button. And when that mode button is shortly pressed, you can switch between UHF mode, basically for the microphone connection. And yes, we've got a Bluetooth mode for syncing Bluetooth devices or your mobile phone, etc. Hang on a minute. Let me just see if we can use this WinBridge as a speaker. Let's hold the Bluetooth button mode for 1 second. Let's search and select S98 from our Bluetooth device list. Yep, and now it's connected. Let's have a blast, shall we? Okay. Well, not surprising, this PA system is just a PA system. Not really to be used as a speaker to play music through, as there's not an ounce of bass. It's desert, it's proper dry. You can, however, use a mobile mic app, use it to speak through your mobile phone, or play a recorded voice. But there is, however, a 1 second delay, and it's really noticeable when projecting your voice through your phone to the PA system. Okay. Anyway, enough messing around. Now let's say you're saying something inspirational. You can indeed play some spiritual music. Set the volume via that music control dial, and at the same time we can now go ahead and grab that Bluetooth headset that's included within the package, which consists of a comfortable, flexible, highly positionable microphone unit that should connect to the WinBridge PA system, now enabling you to use both microphone and volume dials, controlling the audio levels for the music and the voice pickup.
I've dropped in this tunnel. Someone fucking help me out. It's that down here. And these fucking creepy crawls going on my fucking crowd again.
Or in fact, you can skip back and forth through the music and audio files, using those physical controls on the S98 PA system itself. We not only have an echo control dial,
Hello.
So to add a desired effect, if we look to the rear of the unit, we not only have a memory card slot, you have an older relative lacking an upgrade where you can play audio from dedicated files off an inserted memory card. No, a card is not supplied. But as well as having a USB-C charge socket, there's a standard USB port, so you can go ahead and insert a memory stick. Ooh. There's also 6.5 and 3.5mm microphone ports, and an auxiliary port too. Now, as well as this handy PU leather carry strap, we have gone ahead and attached that supplied shoulder strap And now it will allow you to simply walk around, be mobile with the WinBridge speaker, allowing it to rest upon your waistline. Now, I honestly wouldn't say I've used this speaker quite a lot this week, but I do think, although, like I've mentioned, that the speaker's bass is quite dry when playing music or anything like that, well, the voice clarity, when it is excelled through the PA system, it is quite excellent.
Hallelujah, guys. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm going to thank everyone for coming to our wonderful church this Sunday. You go see me out there. This Sunday. What a great day to be in mind. Headset, man. Sort the headset out. Can't keep going through this every single week. Wait, listen. So thank you all for Lucy, you want to go out?
No.
Stop digging your nose, will you? Oh, it's a lovely Sunday. It's a lovely Sunday. It touches you out, doesn't it, Mark?
Yep.
It really does. God, is that you? What a great way to be alive. Did I say Lee or Day?
Nay.
What? What, Mark?
Nay.
Lee?
Yeah.
I want that into my head. Didn't know. Just listen. Listen to that gospel. Oh, Jesus is surely watching us today, guys. Thank you. Thanks to all the brand new people that turned up this week. What a great day to be alive. This Sunday. All 8 people looking at me just now with those beautiful faces. Look at fucking yours. Oh,
Me?
Jesus Christ, where have you been with that?
Benidorm.
Day cream.
What's that?
Use day cream. Listen to that gospel, guys. Listen to that. Ah, wonderful. What a great day to be alive. So yeah, if you want to grab the good book, it's right in front of you.
Where?
Below the seat in front of you. So grab it if you want. We're going to be passing around the bucket anytime soon.
Over there.
Is it disappeared too? Mark, the bucket. Pass it around like in cash. So yeah, guys. Dig deep into your pockets today. We don't want lint. We want coins, cash, maybe card. Have you sorted that card reader out? Mark, sorted that card reader out?
Hey.
Bang the 10 one. Preset it. Hey. What? Wait, it's a foreign no. No euros. Will you tell it, Mark?
What?
He explains every single time. No euros, mate.
Right.
Julia. No naira. Pounds. The Lord is truly with us. And you know what? 2023 going to 2024. It was so great. It was going to be fabulous. I mean, midnight mass. Margaret, you were there. Margaret. You wake up, will you? Song.
Which one?
Song, come off. It's not holy if you're not playing the song.
There's only 2 tracks in your laptop.
Fucking Mary. Oh, fuck. Come down and strangle you. We better roll with it, guys, roll with it. It's a brand new day. 2024 coming. God, it's just coming on strong, isn't it? It's coming on strong. God's with us. He's watching over every single thing. Could be World War III that might pop up. And the praise Him. Oh, God's with us. And I'm feeling it. He's all about it. Oh, I'm thinking songs. I can see the light. It is the light. And what we're going to do just now is we're going to bob our head down. And we're just going to say a little prayer. Oh, fucking hell. I think I followed through.
The voice projection is very crisp, and there's not too much of a delay too using that headset that's included.
Go and follow me, go and follow me now.
I do personally think that this product today would be good for any type of teacher doing lectures, or even a head teacher, just so they can excel their voice within, say, a school assembly. And the fact that you can perfectly set the volume levels precisely makes it a great all-in-one unit where you can play soft music in the background to allow a better overall effect when speaking, not actually thinking that you must still raise your voice when speaking through the PA system like other cheap portable audio speakers on the market. No. In fact, you know what? If you've got kids playing out, my mum and dad could have done with one of these in the 80s. It would be a perfect ideal speaker to place in your window ledge and shout your kids in for tea.
Isn't the bike there? Edward! You did us right there, get in!
Yeah, yo, it's 2024, we got mobile phones, G. Alright, fair enough, I'm an 80s kid though. We either got called in for our dinner, came in, or faced a slap if we pretend to listen. I personally would say that the S98 is a bit of a game changer when it comes to PA systems. I absolutely love the retro look. It is a fantastic all-around PA speaker, very easy to set up, convenient, and you can go ahead and buy a more expensive model and it should come with a wireless microphone too. Well, I think so anyway, because there is a spare slot just here within the packaging that we've got with this one. Talking about expensive, if you just brace yourself real quick, well, the WinBridge S98 is a whopping £102. That's 130 in US dollars. Yeah, I know, some people might think it's a bit excessive, but hey, you know what? For a solid built, good quality product as the S98 is, for the fact it's got that 5 to 8 hours use, obviously with that time depending on the volume settings, well, I think that this 40 watt multi-use amplifier slash speaker with a transmission range of up to 40 feet before that transmission tries to cut off, well, I think that it's a great little unit and I'm gonna actually recommend this product. We are going to give it, well, it's hard to find any faults really, except for the fact there's not much bass or music playing. We are going to give it an 8 out of 10. If you want to check out the specifications for yourself, a bit more of in-depth detail, well, we've left a link in the video description down below where you can check this PA system out for yourself. And if you have liked what you've seen within this video, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much. If you please support this channel just now by quickly pressing a like on this video, or even in fact sharing it wherever possible. Another thing is, please subscribe to this channel just now. We do appreciate every bit of support, and not only that, hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on our brand new tech upload. I thank you guys for watching today, and if you want to see one of our previous videos, well, there's 2 of them that will be showing on screen just now. Alright guys, in a bit, see you in the next one. Peace!